What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. I'm back here to show you how to earn daily pay income. I want to show you a system, a proven system that's been online since 2021. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out this program, do yourself a favor. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Check it out. See what it's all about. All right, so we're going to do this. I want to show you how you can start, put this phone on vibrate, how you can start your online business in 48 hours. All right, with this proven system. Okay, so let's take a look here. Hang on one second. So we're going to show you how you can earn, guys, $50, $150, $300, and $600 commissions, daily pay commissions. All right, we've got 4 products for you to choose from, right? Just like it says here, ready to get started, choose from one of the 4 products. All right, so get in where you fit in. Of course, these 2 are the most popular and recommended, the pro level, okay, and the premium level, because people don't want to leave money on the table. That's number 1. Number 2, you're looking to position yourself to maximize the most that you can earn, right? And there's a lot of folks that want to earn full-time pay, and you can do that with the $300 and the $600 premium, okay? Because it takes the same amount of effort, okay, to promote a $50 product as it does to promote a $600 product. You agree? Think about it. I'm not going to promote it differently just because I would have bought the $50. It's going to be the same action. All right, so you let the people decide where they want to get in. All right, so just letting you know, the 300 and the 600, that is just what it is. When I got started, when this came out in 2021, I went all in. And then I recently upgraded here to the premium level. Okay, so you decide. Now, so you're going to select your products, right? You're going to choose, let me go back down here. Pick your products. You can read over them, see what they all entail. You're going to get some great training here. All right, so you pick your product. Then you're going to get access to your membership area. You're going to receive a welcome email from me with 2 links, 2 very important links. One link is going to get you access, just like it says here, to your membership training site where you can log in and watch the step-by-step training at your own pace. You get access to all the future updated trainings that will be added to offer even more value to our community. All right, so our mission here is to help you grow and develop a skill. Once you learn a skill, guys, once you learn this skill, doesn't matter what you join, you will be able to promote it and get great results. Okay, so that's what you're getting here. You're getting access to learn a skill. So you're going to get that email. You're going to get access to your members area where you can log in, right? And then the second link that's going to be in that email from me is to get you into the community. Okay, so once you get into the community, then we also have daily videos that you're going to be able to watch. Okay, all right, so a simple strategy, guys. We got the key ingredients for you to launch your business within 48 hours. All right, now we're going to give you also a free marketing system, so you're not going to have to worry about a marketing system, any of that. And we're going to show you step by step how to do that. Everything is video tutorials. All right, so pace yourself. We're going to hold your hand in doing this. All right, so let's back up. Pick your product. Okay, we got 4 for you to select from. Okay, you decide how many $50 sales are you going to need to reach your goals? If you only want to make a couple $100, 50 and 150. Okay? Your influencer brand marketing, your internet automation secrets. Okay? But if you're looking to earn 5 and 6 figures, the 300 Pro level and the 600 Premium level is what you want to consider. You can come all the way down on this page and play with the calculator. They have a calculator for each product. You kind of see what the projection is on the goal that you're trying to reach. Okay, so you decide. Now, these programs, right, these trainings, look at all the training that you're going to get. Of course, the more you invest, the more you're going to get far as the training that you're paying for. Okay, that's the thing. That's what you're purchasing. See, the 600 Premium has more content. Okay, and of course, you're leaving no money on the table. You position yourself to maximize all the levels, 50, 150, 300, and $600 commissions. Okay, guys? So, I'm going to give you these steps. Look for a welcome email from me with those 2 links in it. Okay? Now, you're going to be within 2 days, you will have your website, the site just like you're looking at that I have right here. Meanwhile, you're going to be able to come over to the community, introduce yourself, and go ahead and just watch some of these videos. As you can see how we got them numbered, guys? Just click it. Click the day, like we're on day 34 right now. Okay, you don't see it in here, but it's day 34 for the holiday season. We're following the 10K strategy. All right, so you just each day just click on a video. It tells you what you need to be focusing on. It's very simple. Now remember, I'm adding you to this group, guys, because you're purchasing the digital products. Okay, you're going to be added. There's no monthly fees because of being a part of that group. There is a subscription for that, but you don't have to pay for it because you're purchasing the digital products. We have people that aren't promoting the same program we're promoting, but they want access to our community and all the great training, all the thriving community folks. We've got over 6,200 people in that group. So people are paying to be a part of it. It's $47 a month. Okay? And it's very well worth it. Trust me when I tell you. All right? So you're going to have access to that for free. That's not a part of this digital products that you're purchasing. Okay? That's a whole separate community. All right? And you definitely want to be a part of it because it's going to help keep you in the game. All right? Because you're going to be able to get all your questions answered. We have weekly live calls where you can get your questions answered. If you can't get on the calls, they're recorded. All right? Then we have a classroom where you can type your subject that you have a question about, and you'll be able to get an answer that way, or just go in. People are online pretty much all day and all night because people are from all over the world, and type your question there and somebody will assist you. Okay? So it's great live coaching and mentoring. All right, guys, that you're going to be a part of. That is key to keeping you focused and not quitting. All right? Trust me when I tell you that, especially as a newbie. Okay? So you can build your confidence up. You've got support. That is key. All right? So we've got you covered there. All right? So this is a perfect strategy. It's already laid out. It's already been proven. That's the thing. This is not a test where we need to just test it and see if it works. It's already been working since 2021. Okay? So you just decide where you want to get started, which digital product you want to purchase. You get access. I'll send you an email and you'll get access to the group and you can start promoting, and we're going to show you how to do it. There's no paid advertising needed. That's the other thing. You're going to be able to use the marketing strategies, free marketing strategies. All right. That is powerful when I tell you, when you don't have to chase people. That's the thing I love about this is digital marketing. You're going to learn digital marketing, how to do it the right way. You don't have to chase people. You don't have to go in your phone list to look for anybody. No contacts. You don't have to DM people on social media. Any of that, guys. We're going to show you how to do it and get people to come ask you for information. Okay? And then you just share your link with them. You're going to have a marketing system, free marketing system. You're going to send people there. It's all going to be automated. Okay? The emails are going to go out on your behalf. It's going to drip on them for the next few weeks to remind them about the opportunity. All right? So automation is going to kick in. So it's pretty much rejection free. All right? Because you're not calling people up saying, hey, can you look at this opportunity? Any of that stuff. All right? So we can show you how to set this up within 48 hours. You're ready to rock and roll. All right? And you can start earning some of these commissions during the holiday season because it's instant pay. Okay? So go check it out. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. The link is in the description. I'll be able to reach out to you. Now, if you sign up in the middle of the night, you're going to get the email first thing in the morning. Okay, guys? And then we can have a little chat if you like to help you get on board and to start earning these daily commissions. Learning digital marketing. This is e-learning. I'm not sure if you're aware of that. This particular niche is a $1 billion industry per day, not per year, a per day, 1 billion with a B. Okay, it's information products. We don't have to ship anything out. We don't have to create anything. It's already done for you. All right, all you gotta do is plug into what's already working. That's the thing, and follow a few simple strategies. Be coachable. Be committed. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Go check this thing out. Look forward to partnering with you. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. And let's get you started with earning daily pay. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.